Hello, YouTube.
Ah, nice.
This is boat.
There's nothing holding me. You know, I bought a new one. Finally, something that works on this car. Pretty good traction.
You totally disappearing.
I put my head in here.
Don't drop it on your face. Comp suspension.
Okay. Start drinking.
This is a crisis.
Wait.
I can barely get my hand in there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. So I think, Aaron,
That's the open end on that side.
those are my new washers. It's gonna be another one of those days.
You okay?